Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, I know this is late in the game, but I can only show it to you when they get it to me. So today, as the title says, we will be unboxing our BOXYCHARM base box. And for those of you who are not familiar, I will leave all the information down below as well as a link so that if you would like to get more information or try it out for yourself, the information and link is readily available. So let's just jump into the box and see. And the first thing that we have is our description card, which says, oh, they are so late to the party, but this says, be my GLAM-ENTINE. Okay, so late, but nonetheless, we just keep moving with it. So I'm going to go based on what's in the top of the box versus what's on the top of the page. So the very first item that I have is by BALI BALM, and this is what the packaging looks like. And the BALI BALM is, well, this particular one is a pineapple lip scrub, and it says this rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals. The super hydrating coconut oil and aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $23. And this particular product, it says it has a 12-month shelf life. It says kiss the planet. Okay, and let's just open it up and see. Now, I've used BALI Balms before, which I have to admit I did like. Okay, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. And since I do have one already open, it's not the pineapple, but I do have one already open. We're not going to open this one as of yet, okay, until it's actually time for it. So that is item number one, okay? Then the next item that I have is by the company ILLAMASQUA. I always like their packaging. It's so black and sleek. I like it a lot, okay? And this says this is the Hydra setting powder. Wow. It says this is the Hydra setting spray, and it says Hydra setting spray is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless, dewy finish. This non-sticky formula dries fast to set your makeup all day, and it's infused with pea peptides rich in amino acids. Hydra setting spray will leave your skin feeling refreshed and moisturized, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $26. And when we open it, this is what the packaging looks like, and it is a 3.3 fluid ounce size, and it is a vegan and cruelty-free product, and it has, wow, a shelf life of 24 months. Okay, I like. All right, so that is the second item that we have in our base box. All right, and then the next one is by TEAMI, and this is the Detox Mask, and it's the green tea blend with matcha, lemongrass, and clay. And this is what it looks like. And the description said this mineral-rich mask will be a must-have in your self-care routine. Made with organic matcha green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay, this natural detoxifying mask is formulated to rid pores of impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood ingredients, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $29.99. This is a 6.5 fluid ounce jar, And it says it's 75% organic. All right, that's interesting. Very interesting. All right, it is a cruelty-free product. And let's see, I do not actually see a shelf life on here. So that's something, if that's something that is of interest to you like it is to me, because I really am very concerned about making sure I'm getting the full benefits of the product. I guess we'll have to go online to find out. Okay, so this one is item number 3, and I don't want to open it because I don't know what the shelf life is. The product may not have any potency left if we're opening it too soon. It says dampen face slightly with water. With fingertips, apply thin to medium layer on face and neck. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for the mask to dry, and then simply wash it off with water and pat dry. Okay, well, that one is item number 3. Then the next two, the first one is by Ace Beauty, and this is the Glow Highlight Palette. And it says, my apologies, it's the Glow Essentials Highlight Palette. And it says, the Ace Beauty Glow Essential Highlights Palette is all you need to get your glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless glowing look. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $40, okay? I do like Ace's packaging. It's always beautiful. It says that this one is a 19.2 gram or 0.67 ounce size, and it has a 12-month shelf life. So let's just see. Okay, it does have a cover on it, so of which I am glad. I should not have done this because I would have loved to put this in a giveaway. All right, I may have to turn this over to a sibling or a daughter. All right, but it does have a mirror, and we'll go ahead and cover that. And these are the shades that are in this palette, okay? I do love that they say it is buildable because it should really be amazing. I'm feeling this pink one though, which is actually called Radiant. I don't know if you can really see how pink that is, but this is really beautiful. This one is Radiant, the one in the middle is Gleaming, and this one is Beaming. This one is Poppin', Glowing, and Icy, okay? So, well, since I can't give it away, we might as well swatch it, and then I'll send it to my sister. Or then I'll make sure, oh, that is beautiful. Okay, so I did swatch 3 of them. Now, look at this for highlight. That is gorgeous right off the bat, okay? And so once you take your brush and kind of buff it out, it will probably be quite gorgeous. Oh, yes. Yeah, see that pink one in the middle? Yeah, I like that. But you know what this also tells me? When it's a shade like that, if you decided that you wanted to do an eye look that is all shimmer, you could use this palette for that, okay? So that is item number 4. Okay, and the last item that we have is by Wander Beauty, and this is the Wondrous Escape Eyeshadow Palette. And it says featuring hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture and a rosehip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmer, satin, and matte finishes that are crease-proof for all day wear. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $42. Okay, and let's just see. This is a 10-pan eyeshadow palette, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, there is a mirror, so we're gonna go ahead and cover it. And these shades are really very, very pretty. Okay, hopefully they go on as nicely as they look in the pan. This really does look very familiar to me. I'm pretty sure I've had this palette before. I'm pretty sure that I do. But it's a little late for it to go in a giveaway. But I do like these shades. Well, I tell you what, we'll go ahead and we'll swatch a couple. Let's see. We're going to do Overnight. We're going to do Sea Glass. And we're going to do Stargaze. We have 2 shimmers and 1 matte. And they go on very nicely. How about that? All 3 of them right here. Love that, love that, love that. Let's see if this one we can build on. Oh yeah. I do like the fact that they are buildable and they're very, very smooth. Okay. All right, so those are the 3 that we have right there. All right, and this is indeed the last item in our base box. Okay. How do I feel about what's here? I do like it. I have some skincare, okay, with the Detox Mask, and I also have the lip scrub. Then we have some makeup, which would be the Essentials Highlight Palette, as well as the Pan Eyeshadow Palette. And once we finish that, we can set all of our makeup with the setting spray. So I'm okay. I'm okay so far. We're holding out until next month, which is a Luxe month, so we can make a decision as to how we would like to proceed with our BOXYCHARM. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. All right, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our February BOXYCHARM base box. And these are the items that are included. Down below is the manufacturer's total retail value for everything that is in the box. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.